Yes! Hi, I'm Alessio from Momentum Mountain Bike Academy. Today we're gonna have a tutorial about what is a cockpit for a mountain bike, in this case an all-mountain / enduro bike, how to set up the cockpit properly and the body position. Let's start with our cockpit. The handlebar in an all-mountain bike is pretty wide, around 76 mm is the perfect width to be able to go through the trees and control the speed. And you can cut it 75 or 78 if you have very long arms, but be careful, then you won't pass through the trees. Why we want a wider handlebar than a cross-country bike? A cross-country bike, for example, is around 70 centimeters, okay? We want it for controlling the high speed. The speed on an all-mountain, due to the gravity and the more difficult course, is higher than cross-country, okay? Another very important part in our cockpit is the stem. In all-mountain we use shorter stems than cross-country. A cross-country stem is around 100 mm, this is a 50, so imagine the cross-country is double. Why? The shorter the stem, more control again we have on the front wheel, and we are able to put more pressure on the handlebar with our body. If you see, the stem ends way behind the axle of the wheel. In this way we have our body compressing the suspension all the time. In all mountain we usually use telescopic seat posts like this KS. They are remotely controlled from the handlebar. In this case KS can stop in any position. It's very comfortable. Why? Because in a course like this around, you're gonna have up and down, and it's a big help to have a seat always at the correct position so you can pedal more comfortable and pedal faster. Brakes. I like to position my brakes far from the grips and the end of the handlebar. In this way my finger will be able to press the lever and put power from the edge, so it's only one finger, not two fingers. Two fingers is a bit old school. New brakes, they're so strong, you just need one. And a little tip, if you put it inwards, you're gonna end up pressing with your forming a V shape. This helps keeping your elbows open. Of course we cannot say everything in a video tutorial. You need to go out and ride. And if you live in Greece, come and join Momentum Mountain Bike Academy. Yassas!